Quitting alcohol should be fun and inspirational. It should be something that arises emotions like excitement, joy, and inspiration when you even think about it. Usually, when we approach addiction or quitting alcohol, we usually feel emotions like pain, resistance, even sadness, and we think that it's something about that it's hard to do. But let me tell you something. It's only hard if you don't know what you do, or when you don't know the right approach for this process. And quitting alcohol is a really beautiful process. It's the process of reinventing yourself. And the result of this reinvention is a new state of being, and the outcome of this new state of being is sobriety. Because in the end of the day, sobriety is a state of being, and it's this state of being that creates this outcome of absence of alcohol that people called sobriety. So when we just focus to create this state of being, we will create natural sobriety. It's a situation where you don't have to try to be without alcohol, but it comes naturally because you have this new state of being. And it's really beautiful process. Think about when you leave some destructive habits behind, and you even not just leave those habits, but you replace those habits with some habits that build your life. If you put all that energy that went in the drinking to now, if you put it something that builds your life, then who can stop you, really? And think about how fast your life going to change when you put all that addiction energy into building yourself, building your life, starting new hobbies, starting a new side hustle, or whatever you like to do. If you put all that addiction energy, something that builds your life, you become unstoppable. And it's the process of addiction alchemy. So my message for this video is that quitting alcohol should be fun. And it will be fun when you have the right approach. So, thank you for watching it, and bye bye.